Tip of the day. Do you know that life insurance can provide you or your loved ones with financial security? As an advisor, I know one product doesn't fit all. There are different types of products for each situation. For example, term products are basically cheap and easy to use, and they have a short range of time period if you need it for collateral purposes or anything. But there is also permanent insurance like whole life and universal life, which covers you for your entire lifetime. As an advisory, we sit down with you to see which one best fits you, which is the best for you and your family, which is the best situation that you need. Think of this way. Do you want to drive, you need a car, say, but you go into a car lot and you get a Rolls Royce. But all you need is maybe a Honda Toyota just to go from point A to point B. Would that suit you? Would all those payments to get that Rolls Royce gonna suit you? No. You probably need something that's a little bit cheaper and easier, that's more flexible for your purposes. That's the same thing as in life insurance. There are some products that are more better, you can say, but you don't need them all. You can go with a lesser amount, lesser product, but does the same thing, depending on the situation you need it for. For example, if you're only going to use it for temporary use of life insurance or collateral purposes, no use getting a whole life or permanent insurance because later on you want to cancel it because you're paying the extra cost for nothing, where that's why you need a term insurance. But on the other hand, if you got whole life, right, which pays you in dividend forms, so you want to invest money to grow your money, it's great. But you also have universal life insurance. Maybe you can't afford that much money, but you want permanent insurance to grow your money. That's where the universal life insurance comes, because it has permanent insurance plus it has term insurance to make it cheaper and easier for you to use. Maybe down along the line, you don't need that term part. It can be once it finishes, you don't need to renew it. But the permanent insurance stays with you the rest of your life. And you can grow your money inside of it up to the point where you want it to grow. Because that permanent part has a wealth account built in, where your money is growing on a tax-free basis. Yes, the money is growing on a tax-free basis for you to use while you're living. Plus, you can use that money if you want to use it for retirement purposes. Take out the money and use it in retirement. It doesn't affect your CPP or your old age. Whereas if you got RSPs and mutual funds, that will affect it. So you have some benefits in here. You got tax-free money growing, it's creditor protected, doesn't affect your CPP account where you can grow your money. Where in the future, if the amount of money you put in is equal to what that's inside of it, you got free insurance for the rest of your life. Whereas term insurance, you can't do that. Those are the benefits if you want to go with permanent insurance. Plus, a peace of mind knowing two things. One, you can use this account for yourself when you need it. And if something does happen along the line, you have that protection part that helps your family. Those are the benefits, and that will give you the peace of mind that you probably need.